have a bit of a bee in my bonnet about the way that that VO2 is written. So I've said it many times before, when you write VO2, it should be a capital V, an O for oxygen, and a lower subscripted 2. Now there's different variations that guys like to do of this. Sometimes you have you put a 0 instead of an O. Often you superscript the 2, so it goes higher rather than lower, so rather than subscripting it. And then often one of the big things that you do is you miss out the dot above the V, which is really important, because that means rather than it being a volume, it makes it a rate. So what we're after is V dot capital O lowercase 2. And so what I've got here is just the quick shortcut way of getting that dot above the V, so that you can all hopefully do that. And so the way that you do it is simply you write a capital V, after the V you write 0307, and then when your cursor's just after the 7 of the 0307, you press Alt and X, and then that will put a dot above the V. Then all you need to do is put your normal O, or your capital O for oxygen, and then you need to type a 2, highlight the 2, and then there's a button at the top of Word which is a subscript button, and you just click that and it'll drop that down. So you should all be able to get that right when you're doing your work.